Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. So we have a Whirlpool dishwasher. Now it's leaking water. Nothing but issues with the dishwasher. Alright, before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos. And I really appreciate that thumbs up if you like the video till the end. So Whirlpool dishwasher, first thing first, the racks get stuck, the rails, it's falling apart. You got zip ties and stuff like that holding it up. Even the OEM parts are no good. The aftermarket one's a little bit better, I guess. And endless problems. What model do I have? WDT750SAHZ0. That's the thing I make out on this thing. And how long do we have this dishwasher? Well, it's around 7 years. It's not really 7 years yet, but I'm just going to round it up and make it say 7 years. So little things here and there. The hardware part is no good. Mechanically is fine. And now it's leaking water. Yes, I could find the part number, and yeah, you could experiment and gamble and see replacing the seals will fix the problem. And again, another problem will pop up. So I just want to make this video. If you're buying a Whirlpool dishwasher, please help me out for thumbs up, comment to share. Please do it below. And please remember to subscribe. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.